What's the meaning of cimbalom? Cimbalom. Cimbalom.
Cimbalom. Cimbalom. A cimbalom is a type of percussion instrument that is commonly used in Eastern European music. It consists of a series of metal strings that are stretched over a large wooden frame and struck with small hammers or mallets. The sound produced by the cimbalom is bright, sharp, and metallic, and it is often used to add a distinctive tinkling quality to orchestral pieces or folk music. Overall, the cimbalom is a unique and versatile instrument with a long history in a variety of musical traditions.